Hello and welcome to Spot On. I'm Sabine from Porsche, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can start and use wireless Apple CarPlay. With Apple CarPlay, you can use selected content from your iPhone and Siri voice control. To use Apple CarPlay, you need the following: Active Connect Services, an iPhone with the latest iOS software version on it. Make sure that in the settings of your iPhone, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and Siri are active. Now, let's have a closer look. You have two ways to set up wireless Apple CarPlay. For the first option, navigate via Devices to the Device Manager and tap on Connect New Devices. In parallel, go to Settings on your iPhone, scroll to General and open CarPlay. Now, select Connect Apple CarPlay in the infotainment system. The infotainment system recognizes and displays your iPhone device name. Select your vehicle on your iPhone and confirm the pairing. And if you wish, allow your contacts and favorites to sync. In the infotainment system, tap on Accept, and as a final step, confirm the use and the terms by tapping on Yes in the infotainment system. Now, Apple CarPlay will open automatically. An alternative way to set up wireless Apple CarPlay is via the voice control button on the steering wheel. To do so, open the settings on your iPhone, scroll to General and open CarPlay. Now, press and hold the voice control button on the steering wheel until your iPhone's device name appears in the infotainment system and select it. Confirm the pairing in your iPhone, and if you wish, allow your contacts and favorites to sync. Confirm the use and the terms by tapping on Yes. Apple CarPlay will open automatically. Now I will provide you some tips for using Apple CarPlay. You can open Apple CarPlay from the home screen or via the symbol in the sidebar. If wireless Apple CarPlay does not connect automatically, you can always reconnect by tapping on the CarPlay icon in the Device Manager or via cable. If Apple CarPlay is active, you cannot use or connect another smartphone. If you wish to connect another smartphone, you first have to disconnect the Apple CarPlay connection in the Device Manager and then use or connect the smartphone you wish to use. Apple Siri voice control can also be used by hold and press the voice control button on the steering wheel. You can still use the Porsche Voice Pilot by briefly pressing the voice control button. Enjoy your next ride using Apple CarPlay.